Welcome back to Yahtzee Day. We finally made it. We're on day 8, May 7th, page 15 and 16. And if you look at the packet or you've printed off the packet, you actually have 4 Yahtzee scorecards. Cool? All right. All I want you to do today is play Yahtzee. All right? So, while you're playing Yahtzee, it wouldn't be a math class if we didn't focus on the probability. What are the odds? Okay? So let's first go back to yesterday. We never actually flashed those 2 pages, but on page 13 and 14, you were actually asked to look for patterns. Okay? So let's look at page 13 first. Make a list of all the patterns you see when rolling dice. So what I meant by patterns when you roll dice, what is the most common number you're going to roll? If you just kept rolling them, just kept rolling 2 dice, 2 dice, 2 dice, what's going to pop up the most? You see the chart? Do you see the diagonal? You see the diagonals? You got the 2 up here, snake eyes. You got the 12 down here, box cars. What's that one across the middle? What number is that? 7. Okay? 7. 7 is the most popular number with 2 dice. 1, 6, 2, 5, 3, 4, 4, 3, 5, 2, 6, 1. Okay? 6 possible ways to roll a 7. All right. Flip the page. You're on page 14, and it asks you a couple of scenarios. What's the probability of rolling both dice and getting a total of 6? How many different versions of 6 are there? You see it? Just above the 7. You see it? Yeah, 1, 1, 2, 2. Okay, so we have a 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, 3, 4, 2, 5, 1. All right? So that was the idea on that page. All right? So that was page 13 and 14. We're on page 15 and 16. We're playing dice today. We're going to play Yahtzee. I made the comment, I'm going to show you a video on how to play dice. I did not realize until our virtual classroom the other day, there's so many free apps to Yahtzee. You can actually have a family play Yahtzee. I didn't realize that. So, it's a new world. It's all about the app, right? So, I'm going to splash some different apps up here that you can play Yahtzee on. All right? So, if you don't have a Yahtzee game, you can actually just pass the mouse around and play Yahtzee online. So, 3 or 4 different apps. Go ahead and play Yahtzee that way. I'm a traditional kind of person. I love to roll the bones myself. I would like you to keep in the back of your mind probability. As you play Yahtzee, you got different categories, right? You got your 2s, your 3s, your 4s, 5s, 6s, right? 3 of a kind, 4 of a kind, the straight. If you ever watch poker on TV, or if you ever play poker, the straight is a powerful hand, just like in Yahtzee. Can you get that large straight? Phew! Sometimes I think getting the large straight is harder than getting a Yahtzee, especially if you're trying to hit the gut shot straight. So, we've been playing cards, we've been playing dice. Think about probability. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're trying to hit a 5. What's the probability of rolling the 5? Or, if we're playing cards, to draw a 5. Okay? Think probability while you're playing today. Just keep that in the back of your mind. Is it easier to hit the 5 on dice or poker? keep that in the back of your mind. Next week, we'll put some numbers behind it. Hopefully you had a great time this week. Again, it's Yahtzee day. People have been asking. We actually would have played Yahtzee in class. Absolutely. Okay. I actually have 7 sets. Spread everybody around the room, and we just play Yahtzee for about 30, 40 minutes. Just visualizing the numbers, having fun with math. Okay? That's what today was all about. I hope you had a great week. Don't forget, if you want to tune in tomorrow, it's binge watching week. What have I been binge watching? What are you binge watching? Okay? Then we got Inspiration Saturday. What's going to inspire me to make a video, and what's going to inspire you to look forward to next week. And hopefully all week you've been planning something, because Sunday is Mother's Day. What have you got planned for Sunday morning? So come and see me on Sunday morning and see what I've planned for Mother's Day breakfast. Okay? Hopefully you have a great week. And we'll see you tomorrow on Binge Watch Friday. Bye.